Hey, chances are if you're receiving this video that I've called you or emailed you or we've discussed on the phone or met in person about CommuteStream. But I wanted to send this quick video just to talk about another kind of tip that small businesses can use, especially heading into 2020 to help drive more traffic to their content and bring in more leads locally here for free. And it's about using video to reach out to your customers and reach out to locals, much like I'm doing right now, right? 6 reasons why, very quickly, you should consider using video in your marketing and just kind of day-to-day outreach activities in 2020. 74% of consumers have watched an explainer video or a video on YouTube before purchasing a product. That's 74% of consumers watched a video before buying a product. It's pretty significant. It helps to build trust. Also, you're able to kind of pick up on the person's personality and see how genuine they are about helping you. Third reason, Google loves it. Uploading videos to your YouTube channel or to your Facebook account will help you get to that coveted first page on Google organically without any coding or SEO or any of that fancy stuff, right? Fourth reason, video is great on mobile devices. Essentially it meshes really well with the way that people are absorbing their content nowadays, which is mostly on their cell phones while they're on the go. Don't see that going down in 2020, right? Fifth reason, it definitely makes it easier to explain things. You could talk faster than you could write. You could use different examples and different kind of ideas. Lastly, it's easy to be shared. All you have to do is forward this email or copy paste a link, and more customers will be able to watch your content and talk about it. So you kind of get more life out of the content that you are producing. So I didn't want to just leave you with those tips. I want to share the tool that I'm using right now to put together this video. They have a free version, which should work great for most small businesses. So this is called Loom. You can go to loom.com, Loom.com. They have a free version here. Download the app, and it makes it really easy to show your face and show some content just like this at the same time. Makes it easy to just kind of talk about different things, different products, different events maybe you're putting together. You can kind of think about ideas that you can use a tool like this to help reach out to new customers in the new year. Otherwise, if I can help with local advertising, CommuteStream reaches CTA commuters in Chicago on transit tracking apps they use to see when their train or bus is coming. We're able to place your content in between the arrival times at specific stops. If you think that could be a fit for a project that's coming up, please feel free to reach out anytime. But I wish you the best heading into the new year and continued success in 2020. Thanks so much. Hope to talk soon. Bye.